welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the vlog, and today is a new day. So as you can hear, the exhaust has officially came on to the BMW. Look at those tips, guys. Not bad, not bad. So you're probably asking, whoa, my camera strap. You're probably asking, what is today's video gonna entail? Well, as I mentioned, intakes were coming, downpipes were coming, and a tune was coming, and all that has been ordered, but it's simultaneously gonna arrive. So what's arrived is my downpipes. Right now, Jesus is pulling my car in. We're getting it into the shop, and we're going to get this going. Downpipes coming in today. She looks so beautiful, right? Now, let me show you these downpipes real quick because they look really nice. So these are the downpipes right here, and the brand is actually called Swiftka. Now, let me tell you guys, I have a Swiftka full exhaust kit on my car right now, and it sounds amazing. I can't wait to share with you guys how it sounds with the downpipes. As you guys know, we actually opened the service center not too long ago, and well, look at this super sick McLaren that just arrived. So this is actually one of our good friends, the quote-unquote McLaren monk. Actually, look, McLaren monk. And he brought his car in because, you know, he's rented plenty of cars from us before, and he wanted to get a service here. So, you know, we had to take care of him and give him the royalty treatment. Now, car has arrived. It's officially about to go on the lift. We're about to start this. Hey Zeus, let's get a rev real quick.
Cody, you got some explaining to do.
Cody, are you the culprit of this?
Hey, that's right. Raising Cane's, good lunch.
Nice, nice. Can't complain, can't complain.
Heck no, especially with sweet tea for these guys. It's all about that coconut.
I love that sweet tea.
It is all about the sweet tea.
Makes
though.
you big and strong, Mario, doesn't it?
I don't know about big and strong. I might say skinny fat is more the appropriate answer,
fat.
but
It's definitely possible. Too much sweet tea.
yes. So today's food vlog is going to be
Andy, come
the
on.
one and only Cane's, and we have mail.
Fur parts.
So we're gonna eat this and then we'll be right back. Step one, take the panel off. Cool. Okay guys, so we found the stock downpipes, which are right here. Jesus, what is it looking like?
Well, there's a bolt there, you guys can see, and then there's one right here. Pretty easy to get to.
Okay, I see it right there, yeah.
So,
Well, about an hour?
yeah,
Yeah?
about an hour, yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna save the boring part, so we're gonna get this installed and then we're gonna check back. All right, Josh,
What's up, Mario?
what
Oh, is that a dab or is that a
no,
time check?
I was trying to check the time,
Wait,
but it was
we-
also a dab.
Good job. So Mario, it's 2 p.m. We get all the action at 2 p.m. Everybody walks in. Seems like the phones are gonna start blowing up. We're gonna have all the walk-ins start showing up. If you look right here, this is everybody coming back. This is when all the fun stuff starts to happen.
And already a few came back too.
A few
so-
came back, so it was a lot longer than this. So if you take a look, you'll see all the couples out front here. They just brought back all the slingshots. They went out to Red Rock Canyon, which of course, if you want to look on the maps to see how gorgeous it is out there, you'll be pleasantly surprised how fun it is to take a slingshot out there. So Mario, if you want to just take a quick pass through. Let's see what we got. I think Terry, my man, he ordered everything. How'd it go, guys?
Doing great.
That's what we like to hear. Got some good pictures? Good, good, good. So, big smiles. We love it, you know? This is what we're here for. Come on by, guys. Check it out.
In the meantime, we also have the red Huracan pulling up.
What you got, the white tee with the black logo?
Yeah.
Good size. Excellent.
So, Josh,
Yes, sir.
as you can see, our
We got some action.
3 o'clock rush is here.
It's always fun, guys. Don't let it intimidate you when you come in. Just step up to the counter. All right, we'll multitask a little
What do you
bit.
got going on here?
We've got some merch. We got the Corsa tee.
The gentleman over here took 2 cars actually. Yeah. And then secondly, he took the Porsche, which I know you like way better, right?
I actually did.
Which is why he's getting the GT3 shirt. Let's see it. There we go.
And Mario,
only right. It's only right.
let's just point out, Mario did come up with this design. Okay.
No, it's a team effort.
It's a team effort. Okay, okay. I mean, I love it. I think it looks great. So.
One down,
One to go.
one to go. What do you think? These are not the most attractive.
No, it does not look cute at all.
What? These ones look way better though. All right, number 2. This one was a struggle right here, guys. You have no idea.
Yes, it was.
This one was a struggle. We got the downpipes finally in. Very nice and slick looking. Jesus, what do you think?
Look good.
It was a pain, huh?
Oh yeah.
It was a pain for sure. All right, guys. So the time has come. The car is officially done. Now, we actually pushed it outside because our neighbors have a spa right there and we don't want to be too obnoxious and too loud. But we are officially here and ready to hear it start up. Jesus, are you ready for this? Will you do the honors? Will you start it?
Sure.
All right. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Bro, it is so loud. Bro, it is loud. I think it's too loud.
It sounds pretty quiet in here though.
Yeah, let's hear it. All right, guys. It definitely feels faster. I'll tell you that. It pulls way harder. Jesus, what do you think?
Feels good.
Does it go?
Oh, it does.
I think that feels good, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like when I'm at a high RPM, it sounds really like raspy, rattly, and I really don't like that. Unfortunately, I'm not sure what I want to do about it. We spent all that time taking the cats off, but it definitely feels faster. It's definitely way louder in the car, 100%. What do you think? Do you think I could spit flames, Jesus?
I don't know.
Maybe. Maybe we'll save that for a night vlog sometime. But let's. What do you think?
Hear that turbo
One more pull right here. Alright, well, anyways, that's basically going to conclude today's vlog. We're in traffic. We're not going to do anything crazy. So, with that being said, we will see you in the next vlog. And the next vlog is obviously going to feature Houston and Jesse because they're the stars of the show. So,